Hey guys, I'm back and I'm going to install injectors on my 82F350. Well, 7.3 IDI swapped 82F350. So I got the injectors back from the injector shop. These are just my OEM injectors that they cleaned up. They replaced two of the tips because two of them were fouled. He set these back to the OEM 1900 PSI. Before, here it is. They were popping at 1500, 1250. Only one was like within spec by my standards. I already got O-rings. I'm just reusing these old washers, copper washers. But yeah, no, they are completely rebuilt, and I look forward to hearing how well it's going to run. These are C-stamped injectors. This is just an NA 7.3 IDI. Nothing special. But yeah, let's get her installed. Alright, got her on the injector dyno right here. And it looks like, oh, that's nice. It's popping at about 2100 PSI, which is a little bit higher, but that gauge could be a little off. This is a cheaper, injector tester, so we'll call that good. Alright, got all the injectors installed in the engine. I would say I should probably put the O-rings on while it was off the engine, but they're not on there, so I'll just have to struggle with that later. But anyways, I'm going to torque these all to 35 foot-pounds. I did put anti-seize on the threads, but I'm going to go around, give them all the good torque, and then come back a second time and give them another torque at 35 foot-pounds. I believe these are an inch-size socket. Alrighty, hard lines installed from the pump to the injectors. I got these lines cracked. Just going to turn it over and bleed off the air inside these injection lines. Don't quite see any diesel yet. I'm just going to crack these and let these run a little bit longer. I gotta let out the choot show. But yeah, that's the best it's ever ran. A lot more responsive versus the old injectors. But yeah. Just releasing the chooch. Well, I just tightened that injector down and that seemed to stop the leak, so that's awesome. Now I'm just checking the return line for any air leaking in. Looks good. No more smoke. The old exhaust, or the old injectors, were always smoking. Even when it was a little warm at idle, so definitely seemed to fix our problem. Looks like it might have stained my baseboard a little bit too. Hey Mingo. Yeah, I just go to, give the dog some water in their water bowl, and yep, there's a chicken in the dog kennel for some reason. They know I'm gonna eat them, so they're hiding and judging me ominously. Alrighty, I came back and it was leaking still, so I stuck a washer right underneath that nut there and then tightened it on down. That worked for me before. I'll give it another shot here and start her up and see if that stops the leak. I wonder if I'll start up right away, or is she going to be fussy? Let's see. Place your bets in the comments below. We all know the game. We all know the game. That one's good, I know that. Oh, yeah, air in the system. Gotta love it. Alright, sprayed some cold start in a can. There we are. Well, unfortunately, she's still leaking, but I'll fix that another time. Let's go take her on a quick rip on the road. Alright, I'll do a little soft pull here. Oh my gosh. Yeah, not that the video does anything. It still feels like a gutless IDI, but it feels a lot more cleaned up. That's a good way to put it. But yeah, so it is running better. Let's get back to the shop now and see if we still got a significantly bad leak. Something's telling me it's probably those O-rings, but we'll see what I can do. And you guys got this little stoppy turner offer button down in the comments? Let me know. It prevents the ignition from turning off. I've heard multiple reasons why they exist, but I'm not sure why myself. Alright, it's been off for a couple minutes. Don't ask why I have a Jack's Pizza box in here. Will it turn back on? Alright, turn that off. It's obvious this engine is warm, and before I took out these injectors and undid these lines, it obviously wouldn't do that. Oh, no, it doesn't look like it was leaking as bad, but it's probably because I have it shut off. But yeah, there's definitely air getting back in through the return, so that sucks. But I'll save that project for another day. But besides that, new injectors installed. It runs great. It's not like you get in it and like it's like putting a turbo on and she just takes off, but it definitely just, it sounds like it idles a lot more clean. But yeah, guys, there she is. 82 F350. If you guys are thinking about just getting your injectors rebuilt, or if you have tools to do them yourself, totally do it, because it makes it run a lot better. I'd test fuel economies on it and whatnot, but like I said, we got plenty of other issues with the truck right now, so I don't even want to get into it. Plus my fuel return, my homemade one, is leaking. Yeah, if you look under the truck here, turns out homemade JB Weld fuel returns, when you're using the gas tank, doesn't seal the best, so yep, I'll have to fix that. And also, I got a floor pan video in the works, fixing up all the rust in this old girl. She's about to be rust free. But yeah, guys, thank you for watching the video. I've had this hat since middle school. No, I'm not a communist. Yeah, that ain't the truth no more. She takes diesel. Yeah, guys, this is the part where you click off if you don't care no more. But I will say, rebuilding your injectors makes it a lot better. But anyways, thank you for watching the video. I know this is kind of a random one. Small channel, just trying to push content out there, you know, work with the algorithm, blah, 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 blah. Seems like you guys really like the Honda, and I'll try and get that back. I get this guy back soon, but I gotta order a rod for it, but I'll do that tonight. Big international people around here. Thanks, guys. You have a good one, and thank you for watching the video. Please make sure to hit like, comment if you want to, subscribe if you want to. I'm not gonna tell you what to do, but you really should. I'm trying to build. Thank you. I should edit this part out. This is cringe.